Hey everybody, Rosalinda here with another ice cream try. Today we have chicken, fried chicken, and a chicken sandwich. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's try the drumstick and see how it goes. Oh, that's good. What's that on the outside? I like that one. Oh, I dropped the chicken burger. Chicken sandwich. Let's try this one.
Waffle coating.
Waffle coating, okay. It's like a bread.
It is? That's weird.
I don't know how I feel about that one.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it is bread. May need to be thought out more.
But it's good. We'll see how it digests. And I'll let you know. Alright? If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. See you next time. Bye.
I like it.